I'm not saying that chiropractic treatment is bad. I'm not saying anything like that. I'm simply saying I am a firm believer that gentle manipulations work much better for the jaw. This, I believe, may help the patient temporarily, but I don't really think it's gonna have long-lasting relief in terms of clicking, popping, or pain. A lot of people will ask me if my manual jaw manipulation that I do in office is similar to this sort of chiropractic treatment. No, it is not. I will not crack, pop, or twist your jaw or your neck in any way, shape, or form. Hope you found that helpful. If so, like, follow, and I'll see you all soon.